Welcome to Ucanic. Today here in Ucanic we have a 2012 Cadillac STS. And on this Cadillac STS we're going to go over how you would replace this high mount brake light. Now to replace this high mount brake light, first we're going to need to pop the trunk. So we'll pop the trunk and we'll raise it up. Once we've raised the trunk up, we have this cover that you'll remove, and that's just a bunch of push pins that you work your way around to remove. And then what you're going to see is you're going to see 1, 2, 3, and 4 big nut washers that we're going to remove. But they're like, yeah, so there's 2 on this side, 2 on the other side that we're going to remove. And they are size 13. Okay, with those removed, then we have this one electric connector right here that we'll want to undo. Alright, that electrical connector removed and the 4 bolts. And on the ends, we have a little clip that's holding in there. So we're gonna pop it out of there easily. And that's how you would remove this high bar brake system. And when you've got your new one, if you need to, you're just going to put it back, put the power cable back through, then we press the connectors through so that they connect on the ends. That'll hold it in, and now we'll be able to tighten down the 4 nuts that hold this on. We got those all tightened up. You're going to want to make sure you hook your electric back up. Snap that into place, and then you would go ahead and put your put this cover back on, and we'll push all the push pins back in, and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching Ucanic, where you can be the mechanic.